Now step in. That was a good defense. There you go. Look at that. It works. Why did you not respond right away? Why you hit so hard? Don't hit that hard. The next time you hit that hard, you're out for the day. Get around. Get around. Watch it. Don't watch me. What is all the defense you just learned? You're still backing away. Focus. Focus. That's it, right there. That's what happens sometimes. Pay attention. Yeah, look at that. You like that, huh? You like that, huh? Keep your hand out. There you go. That's what. Don't look at me. If you look away, he's going to hit you. Henry, watch him. He kicks too. Sit. That's too hard. I warned you. Jacob. Never mind. That's it. Sit.